Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Yearn.finance is an aggregator administration for financial backers in decentralized finance, DeFi, empowering them to increment yield cultivating profit through mechanization. It means to rearrange the always growing DeFi market for non-specialized financial backers or the individuals who favor less committal connections than proficient merchants. The help, referred to at first as yearn and sent off in February 2020, has had unstable development throughout the course of recent months as new products have showed up and designers have delivered the Yfi token. In this video, I'll take a gander at some new Yfi value expectations and endeavor to estimate where the resources cost may be going from now on. What makes yearn.finance unique? Yearn.finance is an exceptional stage that offers different administrations to its clients. These administrations incorporate yield cultivating, loaning, and marking. Yearn.finance likewise has its local token, Yfi, which is utilized to drive the stage and give liquidity to clients. Yfi tokens can be traded on different trades. What compels yearn.finance stand apart from different stages in this space is its attention on conveying worth to its clients. The group behind yearn.finance has made a framework that permits clients to expand their profits via consequently putting their assets in the most beneficial conventions that anyone could hope to find. This framework has been unbelievably fruitful up to this point and has assisted yearn.finance with becoming one of the main stages in the space. Something else that makes yearn.finance remarkable is its obligation to decentralization. The stage uses a few decentralized innovations, including brilliant agreements, which assists with guaranteeing that there is no weak link. This decentralized model has drawn in numerous clients searching for an option in contrast to conventional concentrated monetary foundations. A key element that makes yearn.finance one of a kind is its emphasis on yield cultivating. This is a cycle by which clients stake their crypto resources from their crypto wallet to procure prizes from partaking in different conventions. By marking their resources, clients can give liquidity to these conventions and procure a portion of their charges. Yearn.finance, Yfi, Technical Analysis. The Yfi cost has been on a bull run since it was first sent off in mid-February 2020. Yfi is a decentralized money, DeFi, token that drives the yearn.finance convention. The convention offers yield-cultivating administrations and permits clients to acquire interest on their crypto resources. Yfi is a local badge of the yearn.finance convention and is expected to get to its administrations. It likewise gives clients casting a ballot rights on the stage and empowers them to take part in administration choices. The absolute stockpile of Yfi is fixed at 36,666 tokens, and there won't ever be any more made. This makes it a deflationary resource that could build its worth over the long haul as request develops. The Yfi's cost expectation framework depends on verifiable information, specialized, and central investigation. Do your own examination and don't take the Yfi cost estimate as monetary exhortation. Yearn.finance, Yfi, current price. There are a couple of key factors that are driving Yfi's cost higher. To start with, yearn.finance has turned into the main stage for yield cultivating, an invoke better approach to procure interest on digital currencies. Because of yearn.finance, yield cultivating has become a lot simpler and more open for normal financial backers, prompting a flood popular for Yfi tokens. Second, the DeFi blast has prompted a blast popular for local tokens like Yfi. As an ever-increasing number of clients run to decentralized finance conventions, the interest for these conventions' local tokens increments. This expanded interest is one of the fundamental drivers of Yfi's cost rally as of late. Yearn.finance is at present worth $8,811.82. Yfi has moved -1.42% as of now with an exchanging volume of $50,423,352. Yearn.finance is at present positioned 104 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $320,527,984. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for yearn.finance, YFI, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Yearn.finance, YFI, Price Predictions. Underneath I will take a gander at probably the most recent Yfi cost forecasts and break down the hidden market opinion. Obviously, it is fundamental to recall that nobody can foresee the future developments of business sectors with 100% precision. Any yearn.finance value forecast ought to be accepted tentatively and just utilized as a feature of your general examination prior to pursuing a venture choice. The digital currency markets are profoundly unstable, so consistently lead your examination completely prior to putting away any cash. Yearn.finance, YFI, Price Prediction 2022. Yearn.finance, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, YFI. The Yfi cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $13,217.73. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $12,336.55 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Yfi is supposed to have a base worth of $10,574.19. Yearn.finance, YFI, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, yearn.finance Yfi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Yfi will before long outperform $22,029.55. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Yfi's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Yfi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17,623.64 and a typical exchanging cost of $19,386.01. Yearn.finance, YFI, Price Prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $30,841.37 and Yfi might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Yfi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $28,197.83 and a low of $26,435.46 in 2024. Yearn.finance, YFI, Price Prediction